If you want to go ahead and show out pictures in Strikingly, you can go ahead and work around with Gallery block. So to do that, you can go ahead and click on Add New Section, and over here on the left hand side, you can see that Gallery is an option. If I were to go around over here, you can see that there's many different types of Gallery blocks right here. For example, there's one with vertical alignment of images. Then you can see that there's a gallery with multiple 3-column gallery right here. Similarly, you can go around over here and there's a traditional style gallery right here, just like this. And apart from that, you even have, let's say for example, square gallery right here. So you can go ahead right here, and then with any image, you can go ahead and click and then import out image as you like right here, and then upload it out as you want right here, and that will be added onto the gallery right here, just like this. You can change the text content as you want for the gallery, and you can go around and change the layout as you want as well, to different layouts as you want for the gallery right here. For example, you got the column gallery, you got like 6 column right here, just like this, as you can see. And you can go ahead and customize and even change out the type right here by changing the length right here. You can change the width, you can change around the normal right here, you can change around the spacing right here, just like this as well. You can even go ahead and change around the background as you want as well. So that is simply how you can go ahead and work around with the gallery block inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.